Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Trello's Quick Member Filter, your guide for 2025 and beyond. First up, you need to open your Trello board. This is where you'll find the member filter. The reason we do this is because the member filter is a convenient feature hidden within each board designed to streamline your project management. Once you've opened your board, locate the menu button on the right side and click on it. In the drop-down list, you'll find a Search Cards option. Click on it. This helps us because it's the gateway to the Quick Member Filter. Now that we've done that, you'll notice a search bar has popped up. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This search bar is coded to locate specific members and their tasks. All you need to do is type @ followed by the member's username. For instance, if the member's name is John, you'd type @John. This is an important step because it allows you to filter and view all the tasks assigned to a specific member, saving you time and ensuring you're up to speed with who's doing what. Next up, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. The board will now only display the cards assigned to the member you typed in. Let me explain why this matters. This crucial step allows you to focus solely on the tasks pertinent to the member in question, making it easier to manage and track their progress. The final step involves returning to the normal view. To do this, simply clear the text in the search bar and hit Enter again. The board will revert back to showing all tasks and members. We do this to ensure the filter doesn't stay on and restrict our view of the entire board when it's not needed. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Trello's Quick Member Filter. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can significantly improve your team's project management. Make sure to give it a try, and you'll see how it can streamline your workflow. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.